welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Bree. It's about all things vegan and cruelty-free beauty. And we're gonna get into my PR Ipsy boxes. I got the Ipsy Glam bag and the Boxycharm by Ipsy box. It came early. Today is June 29th. And I changed up my background. So now my palettes I usually see in the back are in the front. So let me know. I'm thinking about putting like a candle or like flameless candles or something. But yeah, switch up my background a little bit. Well, this. So yeah, anyway, so I get the scent to PR. I don't get to choose anything. So this is the new box. I really like the ombre. And then it says all the boxes on there. So it says Glam Bag, Boxycharm, Icon Box, and the refreshments, but it's really cute. So I'm all about sustainability and everything like that, but like so in my ice cream beauty box, they put like the biodegradable peanuts, like you can just put them down in the sink. And we had a casualty. All right. So anyway, let's get into the Boxycharm by Ipsy box first. Now I do pay for this as well, and not this box obviously, because Choice Day hasn't even happened yet. Choice Day happens on the 2nd and the 3rd, and you can also do add-ons. Go see what your power picks are, and also the options that you can choose as well. Those choices are based off of your quiz, and also supposedly if you review the products, they give you different choices and try to customize it. And also the quiz, you can say things you like, things that you don't want, things you want. So you have 2 power picks that are chosen for you and 3 items that you get to choose out of the options. And also if you pay $15 extra, you get a power pick. So yeah, anyway, so we got the Keys Soul Care Protect Your Light Daily Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen with squalane, and niacinamide. I think it's kind of cool. Keys Soul Care is Alita Keys brand. It has this dermatologist developed clean formula, clean, vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, which I like that a lot. And then squalane is a plant-based, lipid-rich moisturizer that helps soften skin. Niacinamide is a potent form of vitamin B3 that helps brighten and balance the skin's appearance. So I'm excited about that. I'm not gonna say no to a sunscreen. So, and I don't know if I've been able to try anything from her brand yet because some stuff is not vegan. I do like the color, like it's just, I don't know, it's cool. And we're actually about to go on vacation, so this is perfect. I also do spoilers too. I did spoilers. Did know that items could be coming in my box. And then from Earth Harbor, because we gotta have Earth Harbor. I've tried quite a few things from Earth Harbor. This is the Biome Brightening Ampoule with spirulina and blue tansy. I've heard of spirulina in like smoothies and stuff, like a powder. And let's see, Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule is named for the treasured ocean blue botanicals she possesses. So this is like a girl. Her name is she. Spirulina and blue tansy. She harbors concentrated adaptogenics. Sorry, it is late at night, okay? Been up since like 4 something. And adaptogenic oils that vigorously brighten and balance for an even, radiant complexion. An overachiever, she works at a deep level, optimizing skin's delicate microbiome to quickly and noticeably improve overall appearance of skin. Okay, so it's a serum. I do like the minimal ingredients. Organic, non-GMO, holistic, plant-based, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten added, because I'm going to be eating this. No soy added, small batch made, women owned. All right, I do like their packaging. Ooh, look at that little dropper. I've tried, I want to say at least 4 Earth Harbor products, but I will try this. And then we got, that's Willie. This reminds me of like Lunar Beauty packaging. It's really cute. But this is from Lucky Chick. This is the Lip and Cheek Multi-Stick in the shade Lucky Days. And looking at the ingredients, I don't see anything that's not vegan in there. Pretty minimal ingredients as well. And it's just like this black packaging. And it is this color. Let's see. Ooh, okay, that is my kind of lip and also blush. Let's see how it blends. Okay. It's pretty sheer. I'll have to, actually it is drying down pretty well. Okay, we'll have to test that out. This is the Natasha Denona Fez eyeshadow palette. There's literally no, like, besides this box, there's nothing protecting it at all. So this shade is completely out. Like I can literally go boop, 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 boop. I feel like this palette was like really popular like 2015, 2016 with like the pop of blue and the warm neutrals. And even this shade, like some of it is kind of like falling out. I don't know if you guys can tell right here. So yeah, I don't even know how I'm gonna repress this because it's literally like out of the pan. But anyway, it's like this is $25, whatever. And then this reminds me of like Juicy Couture. Not a bad way, by the way, but just the packaging. And this is from Sweet Street. It is their Candy Paint Shimmer Lip Gloss, which I really don't like. Like, you can literally see the glitter in there. I'm probably going to give this to my little sister who's about to turn 13. And it has this really kind of like chemically sweet smell. Like, I don't really particularly like that, but that's just me, okay? This is in the shade Comet. So that's going to go to my sister. I do like the skincare products, and by the way, I don't like Natasha Denona because this is not vegan. That's my big gripe with it. And also, it's just not my, I don't know. Ugh, anyway, so I do like the skincare products. I'm excited to try the blush, and the lip gloss is going to go to my sister, so not a loss. And then I also got sent a refreshments bag. I got 2 of these bags, which is perfect because I have 2 little girls that love these bags so much. Has cute little butterflies, just really pretty. And I got a dazzling 5-blade razor kit, and it's in the, I don't know, style Neon Fizz. Let's see, pair with our pillowy shave cream for an even smoother shave. I do use a stainless steel reusable razor. I've been using one for a few years, and I just replaced the blades. This is patent pending. I don't really know. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, it's a standard plastic razor, which I used to use these prior to be more sustainable. And with my stainless steel one, I can just use it forever, like just replace the blades. Let's see. Compression. It is pretty like weighted. I got 2 5 blades, and then oh, okay, this is a magnet, so it stays on like the shower. Cool. I might gift that, honestly. I don't know if my sister's shaving her legs or not. She's 13, so I don't know, but I don't need it. It is really pretty though. Like, it's cute. But I just don't like, I try not to use plastic, but I might give that to her. And then I also got the shave cream as well, the pillowy shave cream, which is in the scent Citrus Spritz. It has a seal on it, but again, with the packaging, it's really cute. It has definitely a very soap scent, which is shave cream. I honestly use soap, okay? So I used to use shave cream, but yeah, and I don't see anything that says it's not vegan. Yeah, it says always vegan and free of parabens, phthalates, sulfates, gluten, nut oils. Our skin-friendly products are cruelty-free and clinically allergy and dermatologist tested. So yeah, I might give this to my sister. I don't know if it's a weird gift or not. And then in my Ipsy Glam bag, same bag, I got the insert name here, which I think the owners either were or are the owners of ColourPop as well. This is their Flame Fighter Heat Primer, hydrating heat protectant spray for all hair types. Sulfate free, 0% alcohol. That's awesome. A lot of them have alcohol. Vegan, paraben free, and cruelty free. I'm really excited to try this. Minimal ingredients as well. Lots of hydrating ingredients. I am excited to try this. I have been wanting to try products from them. And then we have is the brand called? Let's see. Give them Lala Skin Sugar Lips Exfoliating Lip Scrub. I was gonna get one of these from Elf, which I still might, because I like the packaging of it being like a tube than having to like dig my little grimy fingers in here. But the packaging is cute. Like, I like that color. And then a little safety seal. It's all on one side. Ooh, it does smell really good. What is, like, does it say I don't know if it has a scent or not. I can't, like, describe it. It's almost like I don't know, I guess like a clean scent. So, okay. I mean, sugar scrubs are always good. And then we have the Shades by Sean, which I've only seen this in Boxycharm and Ipsy. This is the liquid pen. It is in the shade Black Onyx, obviously, because it's a black eyeliner. I don't see any ingredients that would make it not vegan. And it looks like a typical pen. And then I have enough liquid liners open, honestly, and I've really been liking my KVD one that I got an influencer. So far that's the best, possibly the best liner I've tried. I hope this is a brush tip and a felt tip. I hope that it's like a thinner pen. Okay, just one-sided. Oh, it's a felt tip. Okay. It is pretty, I don't know. I'll try it. I will try it. Not an expert with liquid liner at all. And then we have from Keys Soul Care. I can't use this. This is the Golden Cleanser. Because it has Manuka honey, I can't use it because that's not vegan. It has turmeric as well, so this is going to go to somebody. I have enough cleansers as well. I get a lot of cleansers in these boxes, but, you know, whatever. And then this is by the brand Floss with a period. This is their Brighten Up Highlighter. This is a person of color brand and it woman owned. And it's also, it says never test on animals. It actually has a lot of ingredients as well. And then it has the Canadian flag. And I don't know why I keep getting these dark highlighters. Like, this is super, super dark, which I'm glad that, you know, there's options and stuff. But, like, with PR, I can't, you know, choose my shades, or, you know. And I think it looks like an eyeshadow more than a highlighter, honestly. Even if it wasn't just the color, it's just, but, yeah. And then I haven't swatched it or anything. And then, yeah, that was it. I'm excited to see my pay for box. I'm excited to make choices. And I will be unboxing that, obviously. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. If you are interested in Ipsy, I have a code down below in my description box. Bye, guys.